Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the scheduler option in Xurrent iPaaS. So how to enable scheduler and how you can disable it. So for that, you need to create a solution. I already created a scheduler solution here. So I'm going to create a runbook here. I'm going to call it a scheduler solution. Click on save button here. Now you need to choose the trigger. Click on select trigger. So here you have an option for scheduler. Choose that one. So inside it, we have two triggers. One is scheduler and one is dynamic scheduler. The scheduler is where you can enable it within the specific runbook, which you wanted to run at specific schedules. But in case of dynamic scheduler, for example, you have added a scheduler in one runbook and you wanted to call it from another runbook whenever you want to create the scheduler or to update the scheduler or to delete the scheduler, you can use dynamic scheduler. So I'm going to choose scheduler for now. Click on add to workflow. Now the scheduler got added to our designer page. Now we are going to go to the trigger configuration and we are going to choose the frequency as minutely because I wanted my scheduler to be run at every minutely interval. So here I'm going to choose the time zone as Chennai and interval as 1 minute, which means the scheduler will run every 1 minute. If I choose hourly here, the scheduler will run every 1 hour. So now we have an option here, time of the day, when the scheduler needs to start. So I'm going to choose it as 13:36 and start date as today's date and end date as 31st. So now our trigger configuration is completed. To save the runbook, we must have to add an action here. For that, I'm adding a one dummy action called debug action here. So I'm going to click on it. So I'll just add log scheduler message here. Now to activate the scheduler, I need to promote it. So I'll click on promote button here. Now the solution got promoted and scheduler got activated. So if you see the provision button here, it will show the scheduler details. So now we need to go to schedules and see whether any scheduler got activated or not. And one schedule got created, which will run every 1 minute here. And this will run at exactly 1:37 p.m. Then the last occurrence is, this is the first time we enabled it, right? So it is showing it as never. Now, the time is 1:36, so it will take 1 minute to run the scheduler, gets enabled. So before that, we can check the connector documentation. So you can go to run solution and you can go to connections and you will see the scheduler, whatever we have enabled here. Once you click on the scheduler, it will show all the details about the scheduler and dynamic scheduler and how it works. So it will contain all the details related to what fields are there, what is the significance of that field. Those details will be present within this connector documentation itself. So you can come here and check the details and you can configure it in your runbook. Now let's go to factory. Yeah, now the scheduler got run exactly at the 1:37, whatever the time we have configured, and click on add to doc here and check the scheduler. And in the output, it will show the reference. Just double check it whether whatever the schedule we have enabled, it is configured. It is the scheduler that runs this specific runbook or not. So I compared it. It is matching, which means the scheduler run properly without any issues. Now let's click on log message. We are able to see the log scheduler, whatever we have configured while creating the schedule. Now, for example, I wanted to change the frequency to hourly. How I can do that is, first I need to deprovision it. So then edit option will be available here. So I can click on hourly and I can click on promote. Now if I go here, the scheduler frequency got changed to 1 hour. So it will run every 1 hour. So whenever I wanted to edit it, I need to click on deprovision. Then the edit option will be available. Then I need to promote the solution. and the changes get updated.